these are AirPods Pro, which just cost around 2000 rupees. And yeah, in this video we're gonna unbox it and check it out if these are actually worth it. I got them from Instagram through like a ad. So yeah, these claim to be exactly like AirPods Pros, but we'll check out if these actually are worth it or not. So if you're interested in this particular topic, then make sure to stick till the end. With that said, let's get into the video. Alright, so starting with the unboxing, the box looks exactly like the AirPods Pro, apart from a few things like these are supposed to be made in California and assembled in USA, and there's a USA flag at the bottom and stuff, and you can see the serial number, which is obviously fake, and they have basically copied everything from the original AirPods Pro box. The print quality and all is quite questionable. And inside the box you do get an extra, like the extra pair of ear tips, and you do get the charging case with the AirPods Pro, and you do get a lightning to USB-C cable. But the inside packaging is also not that great, and overall the first impressions are not very good or convincing. So if you're someone who has already seen an AirPods Pro box, then you would instantly recognize that these are fake. But yeah, the AirPods themselves look very much real. They have copied everything. These are the second generation, by the way, so they have copied everything from the lanyard port to the extra speaker holes and everything. And the case is also quite snappy, and you do get the AirPods inside, and you do have a light. Once you open the lid, they do get detected by your iPhone, and the same pop-up comes up as you would get on some real AirPods, and then they will walk you through all the steps to set it up and stuff, and you will get them in your settings, and it will show all the settings, but like you can't really do anything with them. It doesn't change anything, surprisingly. And yeah, it tries to mimic the AirPods Pro, but the software experience, but that's not really there. First of all, the ANC doesn't really work. There's no ANC on these. For the first few hours, a spatial audio thing was coming up in the volume section, but that quickly went away after like a few hours, and I haven't seen that coming up again. So yeah, no spatial audio or ANC on these. And in terms of the sound, they sound decent, I would say. They are not bad for 2000 rupees. And if you want to use them like for general purpose, you can use them for listening to like some kind of music, but yeah, there's no ANC or anything like that, so don't expect that. But yeah, the sound quality in general is pretty good. The touch controls work well. You have all the touch controls, like to increase, decrease the volume, to change the tracks and everything. All the touch controls work. And these do have wireless charging. Surprisingly, they do charge when you put them in on a wireless charger, and they also charge with a lightning cable, so that's pretty good. But yeah, apart from that, these are like not a very good imitation of the AirPods Pro. I have seen better clones than this, but yeah, those are a little bit more expensive than this. But yeah, for 2000 rupees, I would say, like if you want to like flex out, imitate AirPods, you can get them, but I wouldn't really recommend these. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this, then don't forget to hit the like button, and definitely subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And yeah, hit that bell notification to stay notified about my new uploads. With that said, I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.